Model, 58-plate Mercedes-Benz Vito Extra Long Diesel 115 CDI body, white, panel van mileage, 178713 MOT, the 27th of January 2024 engine, 2148 cc 2.2 CDI, 115 transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs perfect. Shakes a little on idle, may need one injector replacement in the near future. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Definitely worth repairing as this is a really clean, well-maintained Vito. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us